He's gonna start vlogging, guys. That's what I'm going to do.
Ah, watch out! You're too close.
May taong pumasok sa kapitbahay namin. May nawalan daw sila ng gamit.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! So ngayon, alis tayo. Punta lang kami sa isang bahay. Meron kukunin, importante, yung death certificate ni biyanan. Kasi andun at saka may gagawin silang dahil hanggang ngayon hindi pa nabasa yung habili ni biyanan. So, kailangan nilang basahin and then tawagan yung lawyer. Matagal na guys and then kailangan na nila ngayong anuhin. Iwan ko kung anong mga dapat gawin pero sa kanila man yan, matagal, ilang buwan din hindi nila inasikaso. So, yaon. Anyway, so and then also, we're going to put something in the car para meron kaming mahakot papunta dito. And yun, so, parang meron namang something, diba, madala. Galing sa isang bahay. Nag-ano lang siya, nag-toothbrush. I know, baby. Mama and Dada will be right back. Yes, we will come back. Inano ko lang yung bangs ko, guys. Dinagdagan ko kasi parang yung ang andito dapat sa gitna, naging nilagay ko dito at saka mataas. Every time na ako, merong mataas dito. And sabi ko, putulan natin. Dimples! Habs! Behave! My God! Naglagay lang ako ng konting foundation and yun. Anyway guys, so I will see you later. Let's see kung anong oras. Hopefully hindi kami matagalan doon like the previous vlog na doon si Tami yung may raming tinatawagan, yung kinancel yung cable doon sa isang bahay. Hopefully this time hindi na kasi sobrang awang-awa talaga ako kay Misty. That time, grabe yung iyak niya. Yung dalawa naghihintay, oh. Gutom man yan. Are you guys hungry? Are you guys hungry? You waiting? Han, look at this two, Han.
It's not yours.
And that's closet is gonna be yours. So, it's your closet. The wife should be having a big one, but no, this is opposite side. Anyway, so kakain ako ng pancake kasi napi-feel ko na yung ulo ko ay sumasakit. So guys, may video naglilik ngayon sa Facebook. Yung sa Spain, pinapatay na lang daw yung mga tao guys. Kinukuha yung respirator, yung matutulong sa iyo nagpahinga, huminga ka. Kinukuha daw sa mga elderly and binibigay sa mga younger crowd, and because they prioritize, and also politics doesn't want them to know, doesn't want to let people know that this is happening right now, because it's like a lot of people in COVID already and there's no enough equipment sa hospital.
Well, of course, it's a horrible thing. They don't want people to know. But...
And the sad thing, guys, they say they do it easy because there's no family around. Of course, it bothers them doing it, but because there's no family, no one will fight for it. And the person died with no family, comfort, and nothing. So guys, diba yung hindi ako nakapunta, hindi ako nakapag-renew ng lisensya ko.
So you see that not behind you?
Yeah. Big alert. It's the older red thing.
Yeah.
So, hindi ako nakapunta dahil sa nangyari kay Tami. And also, ito na yung COVID sumunod. And, so yun, naghanap si Tami kung alin yung open na DMV dito. Extended pala guys, yung mga ma-expired na mga there is exemption on all the driver's license expired and extended. It's yawning. And I feel like I have my menstruation. Yay!
I've been hearing that for the last 20 minutes.
To me now.
I'm talking to you.
Talk to me, baby.
Conversation doesn't say, hey, talk to me. Conversation
Talk
is
to me.
bring up a subject
Tell me your
and
name.
get response on that subject.
Aling, na, aling,
I'm just making noise.
Kailangan ko nito guys, oh. Pandesal. This is ito yung gamit ko. Ultra thin. Kailangan natin ito. Yun, iniwan na ako. Hello guys, I am here. We are here and right now, kailangan ko lang mag-change ng ano lang tayo kasi meron tayo. Nafe-feel ko. Hindi na kami makapanood ng TV dito kasi wala ng TV. Yan. Naghakot lang kami guys. Yung final ko dito na mga gamit. Ilagay lang namin sa sasakyan. And do you want this black case?
Yes.
Empty.
I know it's empty. I
what?
have another question. Over there, when you were going through there,
Yeah.
there was black foam. Do you know what you did with that?
What is black foam?
Like sheets of black foam that was over there?
I don't know.
They're for the inside of this case, so you can make it so you can put things.
It's not in here?
No, I wondered if you do that.
Maybe it's gone. If
What?
it's out, probably gone. Why all this empty, honey, if it's empty?
Because tools go in there.
Do you leave that blanket for now here?
Yeah.
How about this laptop bag you have? What's in there?
All the laptop's bags gotta go.
Okay, I'll put this first in the car, okay? Okay. Ito na lang. Konti na lang yung andito. Pero marami pa, guys. Ito lang yung natipon ko and then, yan. Ito na lang. Tools man ito ni Tami. Marami kaming nalagay sa sasakyan. So, yun. And, meron kaming salmon dito and, yun. Bago masira, dalhin, lutuin. And, yan. I have few here eh. Somebody took it. I have, how many salmon I have here? Ano to? Nasira na to? Masisira ba itong ano guys? Lumpia. Nag-crack naman ata ito. Itutur ko nga kayo guys sa ano freezer. Itur ko kayo and I mean, hindi ko napakita sa inyo lahat. Dito tayo sa mataas na freezer. Tignan natin kung meron pa ba kaming... Hala, may lam. Marami pang steak. Tignan nyo guys. Daming steak. Dalhin ko yan sa bahay, yung mga steak. Meron pa dito. Hala ka. Ang lalaki ng steak. Ang gaganda. Okay pa yan. And ano pa, meron kaming chicken doon. Meron kaming siomai, spicy jalapeno sharp cedar. Hala, meron kaming gizzard. And I know meron kaming pork roast dito eh. Kinuha ata nila. Kasi alam ko talagang wala, steak din dito oh. So alam ko talagang meron kaming pork roast. Veal with pocket. Ito siya oh, veal oh. Hala, meron pa akong dried fish. Tignan natin kung ma-expire ba ito. Sira na ata to. May expiration ba to guys? Yung dried fish. Matagal na to eh. Hindi ko alam guys it says bisugo oh, butterfly cat. Masarap pa naman ito. Hindi ko alam kung masisira ba ito or ano. Matagal na to dito. And mayroong white egg naka-freezer. Dalhin ko to sa bahay. Dalhin ko to guys kasi ano, wala na kami butter. Yung ano namin, roast beef na malaki nabili ni Tami. May kumuha. So ito dito, hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa ilalim. I'm here. Freezer, lock-in. Beef stroganoff with noodles. So, marami pa talaga, guys. Ano pang dito? Hindi ko na ano yung ilalim talaga. Maghanap tayo ng bag. Kasi,
What are you doing?
dalhin ko yung... Halahan, you don't have... You said you have... Okay.
I said I have what?
I saw it over here. I thought you don't have a toilet. Remember, you have one roast beef here.
Yeah.
It's gone.
What?
It's I just tore them to the freezer. I know you left one here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, and I'm looking what. Yeah. Let's take these chicken and these spices when I get freezer burning.
There is bacon upstairs. Just leave it here. I'll bring the one in the upstairs. So I told you it's missing. And you have a really nice looking steak over there. I'm gonna bring it and then I will arrange the freezer upstairs. That's what I'm gonna do. I have to bring. Kailangan kong dalhin ito sa bahay, kundi ito dito mawala talaga. Kasi nakakaloka. Ang mahal-mahal ng roast beef. Almost $100 yun. Nakakaloka. Is that all chicken?
No, steak and chicken.
Okay, are we going?
We're gonna go very soon.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna look for a bag because there's still steak.
You need toilet paper, is that what you said?
Nasakot ng magagandang pagkain. Mamahalin. Kasi kukunin ng iba.
No butter. You keep margarine with no butter.
Yeah. So, nilagay ko sa plastic dito, guys. There is ice here. Hako tayong gamit. Pagkain kasi parang ito. Huh? What is that? Oh, that's really bad. Did you see that look? That's not how it looks before. That's the ahi. Ito, yun yung time na pumunta dito yung kapatid. No, we're gonna eat and then run because you put steak. Maybe that's we're gonna cook it in our house. Grilled it, right? Guys, okay guys, nilagay na namin lahat doon. Yung mga frozen. Hopefully, hindi siya ma-defrost. I'll go in the car. I'll turn it on, okay? Hurry up. The light is on here. What? The one over there? You gonna bring it?
The one down here.
Oh, you have more down? Okay. So, may kinuha pa si Tami, ano daw, garbage bag. Kasi meron siya ditong mga garbage bag. And meron daw siyang box na hindi pa na-open. So, ang dami kong gray hair, guys. Pati bangs. Anyway, so let's go. So, pagdating namin dito, alis agad. So, yun yung ginawa namin. What are you doing? Oh my God. I think fall in that side, right?
I'm gonna put a little more food out. You see the squirrels didn't let the birds get in here.
I know, they don't let the birds. So,
Alright, you're too close. Slow down. You go too fast.
my husband is
You're
become
too far to the right. You're touching the line. Go to the left.
backseat driver. Bago to the
I'm doing to you what you do to me.
backstreet driver.
Back seat, not back street.
Oh, backstreet boys.
And you got a cop right there.
Backstreet, love of my life, I'm telling you. He's going to open his camera that no one can see the face. He's gonna start vlogging, guys.
I'm gonna film you.
He's going to start vlogging. And he said, my gaming channel is already approved by YouTube and there's no content in there. And he's going to upload some
I don't
of
think
his
so.
video.
I don't think I am.
That's what I'm going to do.
Ah, watch out! You're too close.
I'm driving fine. Don't be a backseat driver, hon.
I do it to you what you do to me all the time.
I never do that to you.
You do it all the time.
No, I'm pretty good.
That's what I always tell you, huh?
Heading home. I'm just kidding.
Well, I just use it for work stuff.
Huh?
I just use it for work stuff.
Yeah, he uses it for work stuff.
Yeah, they don't buy it for me, so it's expensive. Just to get a job.
La, la, la.
So now tell the people, we stopping to go and get butter and eggs?
No.
Yes.
No, we have stuff in the
We
thing.
need butter and egg.
Hi guys, nanonood lang ako ni Don Muwen. Live. Live siya, so nanonood ako sa kanya. Nag-praise and worship siya, and yun. Nood lang tayo, the word of God, and yun. Si Tami, andito pala kami sa ShopRite guys. Bumili na naman siya, so tignan natin kung anong binili niya pagdating, okay? Hard as a rock. And now there's nowhere to put everything because the car is full. Look at that. Don't tell me, you guys comment like she said, oh, that's Tammy's money. What the heck? If you are a couple, you are a couple. It's not like who's this, who's that, who own this, who own that, whose money is that. Hindi ganon. Kapag asawa kayo, alam nyo na yung mga problema at kailangan i-ano. Saka alam nyo naman, ang daming pagkain. Ito si Tammy, ang tigas ng ulo talaga. Lagyan natin ng alcohol ang mukha nito. Kasi parang virus ito eh. Hala.
Oh, good luck.
Whatever, dami. And you buy bags. Like how
Because I didn't have a freaking bag. And I knew all of them were buried in the trunk.
I-arrange to dito para lagay ko yung steak. Okay, so this is the cross for tonight. This steak is still good, Han? The steak? Mamaya na namin kunin yung nasa sasakyan kasi we get a lot. He put a lot on my car and we're gonna do it later or tomorrow. I'm going to cook vegetables mixed with this, with the broccoli. Hello, Rox. Hello, Rox, Misty. Look, come here. Broccoli, yun, marami fresh. And also, meron tayong carrots. So, yun yung lulutuin ko. Mag-cut na lang ako ng onion. And also, si Tammy mag-grill sa labas. No, you know what? I'm not going to eat rice. Ang kakainin ko is steak at vegetables. Pero walang garlic. Ay, ito pala. Ito pala, ito.
I love you, honey. Even you don't think so ever.
But what you keep saying to me now, you're hurting me.
I hurt you. You say to me, knowing you. And what do you say to me all the time? You don't love me. You never love me.
I have a runny nose.
Well, you better go run after it. You want me to cook these chicken tonight or just let them thaw out?
No, defrost it. That's for the other day because we still have two different kinds of
Just leave it
chicken.
on the counter, thaw out.
Please, can you do that for them? Yeah.
Fine, it's only 4:30.
I'm even hungry, hon. I want to eat early.
Eat something. It's 4:30, huh?
I'm not gonna.
You want to feed them because you're hungry?
Mainit na pala. Ayan, ilagay na natin lahat para dire-diretso na. Ayan, ito. Madali ang luto lang ito, guys, kasi gusto ko yung crunchy. And then, ang next is ito. Okay, ito. Hindi marami, guys, ha? And something asin. Yun lang. Simple. Doon si Tami, nagkapitbahay. Ilang beses niya siya pumunta doon. Ngayon, kakain ako. Bahala siya. Mag-isa siyang kakain kasi gutom ako. Kanina pa ako nagsabing gutom ako. Yun, pinabayaan yung steak. Ang lakas ng apoy. Buti na lang nakita ko. Andun pala siya. Lumabas pa sa gate. Pinabayaan yung steak. Naluluto. Sunog. Nasusunog yung... Sa akin, okay naman yung sunog. Pero sa kanya, nasunog din. When you leave the steak over there burning, see fire everywhere. I have to run because luckily I locked. Why, her house is not closed?
Didn't lock it. They said they never had to around here. She said, you know, we used to have, like 25 Jamaicans that worked on the farm, and they never touched anything. Nothing ever went missing. All of a sudden,
It's really crazy too. They're not locking their house.
no, she doesn't wonder if we noticed anybody going in.
We don't go out nowhere. In the back, she said.
She thinks they went in the back. So honestly, I haven't noticed anybody going in. I mean, they haven't.
May taong pumasok sa kapitbahay namin. May nawalan daw sila ng gamit. Hindi kasi nila yung bahay palagi hindi nakasirado palagi. Hi guys! Katatapos lang naming nagtapon ng basura para bukas. So, yun lang natin yung light sa labas. And I'm going to end the vlog. Kasi mag-i-edit pa ako. And si Tami din nanonood lang ng TV.
Yes, I'm wearing red.
Oh Lord, we're wearing red, hon.
Hey, you're wearing burgundy.
No, this is red. Anyway guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hi,
Good
guys.
night. Great, honey. See you tomorrow, honey. Bye guys. TV time. News.